For overseas Filipino workers who are considered the new heroes of the country, a warm welcome will never suffice for the effort and sacrifices they have given. Thus, the Department of Science and Technology, or DOST, is doing what it can to make sure their sector reintegrates well with Philippine society once they decide to return home for good. Rod Lagusad has more.
Overseas Filipino workers are considered the country's new set of heroes because of their sacrifice to work in another country for their families and their huge contribution to the national economy. And to help the OFWs for their reintegration, the Department of Science and Technology has a program for them. This to ensure their hard-earned money will be used wisely. This is the Innovations for Filipinos Working Distantly from the Philippines, or iForward Philippines.
Ay tumutulong sa mga gusto nang bumalik o bumalik na, o di kaya ay may mga miyembro ng pamilya na gustong magsimula ng business. Nagkakaroon po tayo ng training for business na mga 6 na linggo. Ito po ay sa tulong ng mga tinatawag naming technology entrepreneurs, mga business people.
And for those who manage to pass this stage, they will make their business proposal, which includes how science and technology will be integrated.
Pag ito ay naging pasado at sa tingin namin ay tsak kikita, ang funding po natin ay 50-50. 50% sa ating mga kababayan at 50% sa DOST, at nagsisimula tayo sa 250 sa kanila, 1,000 and 250,000 sa DOST. At pwede nila itong palaguin sa mga susunod na panahon.
One of the beneficiaries of the program is Richard, an aircraft mechanic in Dubai. He said this is a great help to him, especially because at first he had no idea about having a business.
Kagaya ko na chicharon yung product namin, mayroon silang machine na in-introduce sa amin. So, para sa akin, na malayo yung skills ko and yung profession ko sa pagninegosyo, wala talaga akong kaalam-alam how to set up business. So, definitely, hindi ko siya masisimulan ng ganito kung hindi ako natulungan ng DOST.
His chicharon business started because of his passion for cooking. At the same time, he still plans to go back to Dubai. As such, his family assured to help him take care of the business. In addition, the DOST also has a program to help small businessmen under the Small Enterprise Technology Upgrading Program, or SETUP. Like Marie, the owner of Nanay Ipang sa Everlasting, who is preparing to apply for the program.
Kahit po preparation pa lang po kami is yung technology po about the product. Yung product enhancement po, kung paano po mas tatagal pa yung shelf life ng mga products, paano po yung packaging, yun po yung natutulong nila.
As a startup, she stressed this is a great help to improve her product. Rod Lagusad from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.